details. Yes.
Right, Brian, please do stay on with us. We have some more details coming in. In fact, that terrorist Dr. Muzammil lived in room number 13 of building number 17 of the Al Falah University. Umar used to live in the same room. So, Brian, you have been taking us through the details of the Al Falah University. You were present at the spot yesterday when police investigative agencies and the NIA was present over there. We're getting to know that these Dr. Muzammil and Dr. Umar actually used to live in the same room, in the same area over there, room number 17 of room number 13 of building number 17.
Not just Umar and not just Muzammil, but Dr. Shaheen was also present there. They were staying there. Dr. Shaheen was also teaching there, and they were staying in this room number 13 of building number 17 at the Al Falah University. We were there yesterday, and we are also from here. We will be moving to Al Falah University to chalk out more details about what is going on. Not only that, this very university has been the crux of the entire crime that has taken place, because yes, clearly as of now, all the culprits, the accused, the mastermind, the planning was happening from this room number 13, from this building number 17. The rooms have been also, we are also flashing that on our screen, the room has been also highlighted clearly. That is where, and Umar was just staying adjacent to Muzammil's room, and Shaheen was also staying near that room. They were teaching there, they were professors there, and that was that room where entire planning of this crime took place. From there, there is another place that is 200 to 300 meters away, that is the Dhojgaon, where 350 to 360 kilogram of ammonium nitrate was also confiscated by the police officials, the CID team, the special cell, the Haryana police. They were all there, and that is just 200 to 300 meters just away, walking distance away from the Al Falah University, where Dr. Muzammil rented that flat for 2,400 bucks. He paid in cash. There were 30 rooms. He took that room, and then from there 350 to 360 kilograms of ammonium nitrate was confiscated. So the entire planning was happening around that 4 to 5 kilometer, where yes, in one part where in the university the planning was going on, away from 200 to 300 meters away, the 350 to 360 kilogram of ammonium nitrate was found. Then again from there, if you go further ahead 4 to 5 kilometers, you will find another place where 2,563 kilogram of ammonium nitrate was confiscated by the police officials. Yes.
All right, Brian, please do stay on with us. We have some more information about Dr. Shaheen Shahid, who was arrested in Lucknow. According to sources, Shaheen has worked in the United Arab Emirates for 2 years. She